What's up guys, it's Ryan. Have a little more off-road news for you guys today. It comes from Beta. As you guys know, their lineup has got significant upgrades and revamps in the last couple years, but probably one of the most popular models, which was the XTrainer, XTrainer, whatever you call it, had not really been updated, and now it has been. We got an official press release today from Beta, and this thing looks sweet. So if you're not familiar with the XTrainer, it is a 300 two-stroke that is made for a specific demographic, or a couple specific demographics. So it's a 300 two-stroke that is detuned, does not rev out like the race bikes do. It's got a lower seat height and it's got a narrower profile, and this bike is just loved by anyone who's shorter. Sometimes people who are more of beginners like it. They find it more manageable, but it's perfectly fine. Even guys that are really good riders, even experts, enjoy riding this thing and can have a blast on it. It's not the raciest feeling bike in the world because it doesn't really rev out like the 300RR or something does, but for trail riding, thing's an absolute weapon. So in Beta's press release, it says the bike has been completely updated, further expanding on the capabilities of the most versatile off-road bike, touted as the #1 selling entry-level enduro motorcycle in the USA. It offers a unique package of technical features, performance, ergonomics, and design. It's been restyled for 2023 and has been injected with a dose of elegance and grace. A bike that is anything but ordinary. In fact, it's extraordinary. Thanks to unique characteristics such as a smooth power delivery that offers great rideability, the new XTrainer responds perfectly to the needs of all riders who seek a high-performance bike that is, above all, easy and usable, allowing the rider to easily deal with any situation. Inspired by the world of trials riding, the XTrainer can adapt to a range of riding conditions with ease. Whether you're an amateur looking for your first bike, a skilled enduro rider seeking a less tiring and challenging bike, or an expert rider who wants an extreme enduro companion, the XTrainer is the ideal bike. The bike's usability in every situation allows the rider to focus only on the riding and enjoy the world of off-road riding how it was meant to be. With a lower seat height compared to a full-size enduro bike, along with a narrower midsection, good suspension, and a brake package designed for ease of use, the XTrainer will put a smile on the face of anyone. The torque provided from the 300cc two-stroke engine provides more confidence to riders of all skill levels with a unique performance that is suitable for tight and technical trails. A recipe made up of simple ingredients which are skillfully blended to give you an extraordinary result. So, what are the changes specifically for 2023? Well, the bike now comes in at only 218 pounds. That's pretty light for what this is. It's going to make it agile. It's going to make it great for novice riders. The seat height. The seat height is 1 full inch lower than the RR range, and obviously this is going to give shorter or newer riders more confidence. The brakes, they're top quality Nissan with a 260mm front and a 240mm rear. Suspension, you get an R16V with a 43mm fork tube at the front, progressive linkage at the rear, adjustable. The Beta progressive exhaust valve, the power valve, can be externally adjusted by the rider with a 5mm Allen or an optional thumb lever, allowing the rider to adjust the overall power delivery of the engine, adapted to suit every kind of usage. You got 2 map switches this year. You've got oil injection located under the seat. That's another thing about these Betas, guys. They have a button that releases the seat. You can get your oil injection. So not only do you not have to mix your gas, you don't even have to have a T-handle to get your seat off. Just easier all around. They also come with a cooling fan. They're electric start, and they have a beefy diaphragm clutch now. The XTrainer also got the same rear subframe, or the same rear subframe design that the 300RR has. So the new subframe means a new air box. I'm not sure if that's a new air filter. Also got a new battery, which is now lithium. The fuel tank has been increased to 2.32 gallons without making the bike any wider. Also, the tank's translucent now, so you'll easily be able to check your fuel level. And then lastly, we got a new plastic design and a graphic design that looks very similar to the RRs. It actually looks super sharp. The 2023 Beta XTrainer is going to come in $82.99 MSRP, and I don't know exactly when they'll be hitting the dealership floors, but they are available to order by your dealer now. So I would think fairly soon. And as soon as we get one of these in at AOMC, I will do a walk around video for you guys. That's why you want to hit the subscribe button, maybe hit the bell icon so you stay up to date, maybe even join the race team if you really want to jump on board. I'm Ryan with the MXG channel. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next video.